walk you through how you can edit your product and related information step by step. On the main dashboard of the app, click on Amazon by SetCommerce under the Sales channel. Now choose Listings from the options and type the title or keyword. Once you have typed your desired products, you will be directed to the product edit page. Now here, select the suitable product category for your product. After that, select the primary category and then subcategory, followed by putting the browse node ID. Now you might be having a question about the meaning of browse node ID. So browse node ID is the keyword that will help your viewers to find your product in the search result when they type that keyword that matches your browse node ID. Now map your Amazon attributes with Shopify attributes. One more important thing I would like to tell you, there are two types of attributes. One is required attribute and another is optional attribute. So the required attributes must be filled in. In case you have variants of your product, then filling optional attributes will be essential. And here you go, your products will be saved with the updated information. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you again.